This is Jonah Jameson. Roger, over. Is this thing on? Listen, Scope. Crime reports are coming in from all over the city, and I'm starting to get worried. Did you see that? The spider signal! With Spider-Man nearby, trouble can't be far away. And you know what trouble means. Headlines! National coverage! So don't screw this up! I mean, good luck. Man, you shouldn't be out here. Little Doc Ock on the loose, this could be the most dangerous night of my life. And yours. Be careful. Nice shades. That's Spider-Man. They're no good. Red leotard.
Dr. Octopus, everything's going as planned.
Excellent. And with my anti-gravity cannon, even Spider-Man won't be able to stop me.
You mean stop us?
Yes, of course.
Hey, what's going on?
What was that? Intruder! If you think you're getting out of here, you're in for it!
Go away, there!
Come here! Back over there!
So much for being careful. Just get back to the bugle and...
Things are just starting to heat up.
Time to throw you off the street!
Look out! You do Doc, you're in worse than your haircut.
Well, it's good enough for your sitting duck. Have a nice trip!
Hey, wait for me! You're not insured for this! Hang on, I'm waving you down from here!
You punks have short-circuited our plans long enough!
You're taking a dive.
Guess again, Super Goon!
Happy landings!
No, yeah, it's not supposed to be sideways. It took us early. It
Happy landings!
happened again. This is the second time. This is the second time this has happened. That is so funny.
And we were about to get out soon.
Whoa.
That
That is like the
happened.
second time. And that is actually nuts.
We didn't even. We were just stuck
Whoa.
there for eternity.
Whoa.
We were just literally stuck there for eternity. That boss.
So weird.
Yeah, but we were about to get out.
Oh.
Probably just the park was closed.
I was like, why is it turning? Is my head turning? And I look over and we're like actually turning. I was like, whoa.
Spider-Man got tired of his job. he was tired of his job. He stopped crying.
Like a bad totem when it comes to this ride.
He went to go to sleep. They call him the
Yeah, when it comes to this ride.
What's up?
No, but it happened last time. Yeah. So someone may have stolen the Magi symbol when they left Revenge of the Mummy. Don't be too mad.